Hi, today I'm going to be creating something beautiful, colorful, and really fun. Whether you want to do this by yourself or turn it into a family craft activity. I'm using the Vinci Eye App to trace a stencil created by Charity Lowe's Art. You can actually find these stencils right inside the app, and they're free to use for your own projects. First, I trace the stencil onto a piece of paper using black permanent marker. Then I use brush pens to place the colors exactly where I want them to be. Now here comes the fun part. I'm taking thin strips of paper and rolling them using a quilling tool. After I roll the paper, I gently let it loosen a little bit so it fits perfectly inside each section of the rainbow. Then I add a tiny bit of glue on the end so that the strip holds its shape, and a little bit more glue on the bottom so that I can place it onto the design. This process definitely takes time, but honestly, it's so relaxing. There is something really satisfying about watching the artwork slowly come together, piece by piece and color by color. And you don't have to make your quilling project look exactly like mine either. You can create all kinds of shapes and styles, while others like loose swirls and scrolls, or different shapes like squares and rectangles. That gives the artwork a completely different look. That's one thing I really love most about art. Even if two people use the exact same stencil, the final project can look completely different. You can use bright rainbow colors or soft pastel colors, different shapes, different textures, or even use the stencil for a completely different type of project. That's why I love using the Vinci Eye app for so many different kinds of art. You can use it for quilling, painting, stained glass painting, fabric painting, cookie decorating, window painting, pencil drawings, murals, and honestly, so much more. There are just endless possibilities for creativity. And projects like these are such a fun way to slow down, relax, and make something colorful that feels uniquely yours. So whether you're crafting alone like I am today, planning a family craft night, or looking for a creative summer activity for kids and adults alike, I definitely recommend trying out the Vinci Eye app. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to create something colorful and your own. If you want to learn more arts and crafts, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We share tutorials and creative project ideas, and I even go live to teach you how to do many different types of arts and crafts. Thank you for watching.